We're here at the BTS Thonglor stop, and we're gonna take it to Siam Paragon for some shopping. So to get a ticket for the BTS, you just find the number of the stop that you want to go to. We're going to Siam Paragon Shopping, so we want to go to the Siam stop. And so we just put the coins in. You select, in our case, 37, so wherever you're going. And they give you the ticket. It's really simple. Nelson, how much is it just to go from here to the shopping mall? 37 baht? Okay, so it's like just over $1. So it is a lot cheaper than taking the taxi cabs. And they have information desk right there. So if you want to ask anything, not sure where you're gonna go, they're very friendly and helpful over there. It's a little nail salon in the train station. So cute. And right through there is the hotel that we're staying at. So you can see how close and convenient it is to the BTS stop, which gives you access to all the rest of the city. So what's cooler than being in Bangkok shopping is being in Bangkok shopping and finding out that your little brother is here too. We're on vacation at the same time in Bangkok, so we're going to meet for a quick bite to eat before him and his beautiful wife, Larissa, head back to the United States. Coconut ice cream. So we're at this little market just outside Central World Shopping Mall.
Well, give it the official taste test there, buddy.
Okay, it's got peanuts on top. Oh my gosh. Everyone's always talking about how good this is. It's no exaggeration. You can see the meat of the coconut right here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Walked about 6 minutes from Siam Paragon over here to Central World just to find Din Tai Fung. Here's where they make the dumplings, right here. Give us a little bag for our bags. Thanks, JD, for explaining. And Loretta's here too. But why don't they have this everywhere? This is so awesome. So we have gotten a tuk-tuk from Siam and Central Station.
The tuk-tuk.
So it was beautiful and sunny just a minute ago. Now it's raining, and so he's putting a cover over the tuk-tuk for us so the rain doesn't get inside. It's so nice. First travel converter for the hair wand that actually works. I love this thing. So we're getting ready to head out. I have my little two-piece outfit by Lulu's and some comfortable sandals. Even good to go explore the city.
Hustling for you.
you. Whoa, so tell me, Michelle.
Yum boy. Well, that's in Chinese, but...
Ave Maria. We came...
This is called the Pink, Forever Pink. You guys, I have the Forever Pink cotton candy champagne vodka drink. All right, I'm picking out my pretty cocktail.
On 3, 1, 2. I got it.
Bangkok.